Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Watermelon Sorbet and Sherbet, two frozen summer treats you absolutely need to try this season. Whether you're craving something refreshing and fruity or creamy and indulgent, this recipe gives you both in one go. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for watermelon sorbet and sherbet, a perfect way to beat the summer heat using fresh watermelon and a few simple ingredients. Our sorbet is light, tangy, and naturally sweet with a touch of honey and lime, while the sherbet is creamy, rich, and totally satisfying with condensed milk blended right in. With no artificial flavors or colors and made entirely at home, this is a healthy and delicious alternative to store-bought ice creams and popsicles. So whether you're a fan of Goan cuisine, exploring new delicious recipes, or just want something quick and satisfying from a trusted YouTube cooking channel, this video is for you. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious watermelon sorbet and sherbet. Step 1. Preparing the watermelon. We have taken one medium large watermelon which weighed around 3.6 kilos. Use a sharp knife and cut the watermelon into two. Place one half in a plate and cut it into two. Take 1/4 of the watermelon and cut it again into two. Take one piece of the watermelon, place it upright, carefully remove the pulp from its rind.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Remove all the seeds and keep aside. Once deseeded, cut the watermelon first into strips and then into cubes. Place the cut pieces in a bowl or any other container which can be placed in the freezer. Similarly, clean and cut the remaining pieces and save them in the bowl. After discarding the outer cover, we got around 1.8 kilos of watermelon. Cover the bowl properly and place it in the freezer overnight or for 24 hours or until the watermelon pieces have become firm like ice cubes. Watermelon is ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for sorbet: 2 tablespoons of honey, juice of half lime equal to 1 tablespoon, 2 pinches of black salt, or you can also use table salt. Ingredients for sherbet: 200 ml of condensed milk, juice of half a lime which is equal to 1 tablespoon, 2 pinches of sea salt. Step 3. Preparing the watermelon sorbet. Once frozen, remove the bowl from the freezer. If it's hard to remove the pieces of the watermelon from the bowl, wait for some time to let it defrost a little. Ensure that the watermelon pieces are still frozen. Remove the watermelon pieces and add them in a food processor or blender. To prepare watermelon sorbet, we used 1/3 of the quantity of watermelon, which is around 600 grams. Add the lime juice. Add the salt. Add the honey. If your watermelon is very sweet, then adjust the quantity of honey that you add accordingly. Blend it to a smooth paste. Check for sweetness and add more honey if required. Place the watermelon sorbet in an airtight container. Freeze it for at least 4 hours. Step 4. Preparing the watermelon sherbet. Ensure that the watermelon pieces are still frozen. Add them in a food processor or a blender. To prepare the watermelon sherbet, we use 2/3 quantity of watermelon, which is around 1200 grams. Add the lime juice, add the salt, add the condensed milk. This summer, make and enjoy delicious watermelon sorbet and sherbet and let us know in the comments which one you like more. Blend it to a smooth paste. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Place the watermelon sherbet in an airtight container. Freeze it for at least 4 hours. Step 5. Presenting the watermelon sorbet and sherbet. After it has freezed for over 4 hours or more, remove the watermelon sorbet and sherbet from the freezer. Scoop out the watermelon sorbet into a serving bowl. You must be wondering what is the difference between sorbet and sherbet. Sherbet recipes typically contain milk or cream. They have less dairy than traditional ice cream and don't contain eggs like many ice cream recipes, whereas sorbet doesn't contain any dairy product. Sorbet is something between an ice cream or popsicle. In India, it's commonly called a gola, but this is made out of fruit. Similarly, scoop out the watermelon sherbet into a serving bowl. This summer, make and enjoy delicious watermelon sorbet and sherbet and let us know which one you like more. Request you to please share this recipe with your friends and family members across the world so we can reach many more people just like you. Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine to every corner of the world. Also let us know in the comments from which part of the world you are watching our videos.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.